So we've got vegetable soup. My most favourite recipe this is, and you can use absolutely anything. So you don't need your pristine vegetables like we've got here. You can have the ones that have gone wonky, you can have the ones that are starting to go a bit funny, but because once they're in the soup and you've whizzed it up, doesn't matter. You can also start to collect some peelings. So we've been collecting as we've gone along. And we've got some onion, a bit of parsnip and carrot peelings going on, and then I've also got some out of my fridge, exactly the same, just your peelings that you can shove all in there. Alright, so turn your hob on, that does help, and I will start by adding my melted stock cube. And then all you're going to do is add in your chopped vegetables. I never peel any of my vegetables. I just give them a wash and then use them. So you can see here all the sweet potato has got its peel on. But if you do use your peel stuff, then like I said, just keep it and then add it all in. I'll add some in there. And give it a stir, and that should take probably about half an hour, not very long. So and just pop your lid on and leave it, but keep going back to it every 10-20 minutes and give it a stir. Make sure there's enough stock in there. So this has been simmering away for about 30 minutes. Just test it with a fork to make sure all the veg is soft, and we've now got our lovely peeling soup. So you could use a whizzer, but if you've not got one, then a potato peeler, or just have it as a chunky one. It's fine. And give it a good old bash here. And there we go. And then you can serve it up. So I'm going to serve it and then add a bit of cream to it. You could perhaps add a bit more liquid as well. So if you whizzed it all up, you wouldn't see any of those peelings at all. Drizzle a bit of cream and serve with your bread.